Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. Today I've actually purchased a kit. It's from the lovely Anne Melvin, who is Positively Papercraft, and this is now Tuesday. You'll see this video on, I think, a Saturday. You see 3D projects. Sorry, hang on. Why is it I always want to cough when I'm videoing? Anyway, so I've waited for this. This came last Saturday and I wasn't in. No one was in, so it got taken away from me. And then yesterday I was at a spa day all day with my husband. That had been my birthday treat for ages. And luckily they put it under our gate. I say luckily, it was a little bit wet. So look, I'm glad that Anne has used this really sturdy box, because it wouldn't have been good if it had been soaking wet. Anyway, look what I got. Oh, that's something else. I shoved things in here to bring over, sorry. It's a January craft kit, and this is everything I got. So you've got written details of everything you got. That's the return label you don't want to see. And then I got all this. Look at it. It's amazing. I can't believe how much I got. And at Christmas, I jumped in quickly when she said, oh, I'm doing a kit, and I've got, I can't remember, I think she had 20 or something to sell. I was like, I've got to have one. I don't care. She only showed us this stamp that was absolutely amazing, and I thought, I don't care that I haven't seen anything else. I trust that Anne will be amazing and just go overboard, and she has. I actually hope that she's made some money out of this, because there's so much. It was £20, so £22 with postage. She's on a Facebook page, Positively Papercraft. She's getting so many people liking her page at the moment. It's amazing. So this is a stamp. Oh my God, I love it. Absolutely 100% love it. It's just awesome. And I've seen her with the kit. You get a video sent to just the people who bought the kit with some projects in. And I've also seen her use this and emboss it, and it's just awesome, absolutely awesome. So I got this stamp, which is amazing. I then got a pack of 10 trifold cards and envelopes. How awesome is that? And then look at this. I couldn't believe there were 72 sheets in here. 6 sheets of 12 designs. I just couldn't believe how much. 72, and they're beautiful. They're really beautiful. Then I got a friend die. I love that. That's awesome. I then got, that came in there. I was looking at it last night. And then I got these tags. So 5 different size tags. They're just beautiful. So beautiful. I then got an embossing folder. Oh my God. That is just so, that can be used for so much. Then these, they are just gorgeous. I don't normally like these enamels, but I actually love these. These are really nice. 2 lots of ribbon, really cute. Some little sequins that she's put in a little bag. They're so nice. I'm going to make a shaker card with those. Look at these bows. I think Anne has actually made those, because she put handmade. She put, where is it? 1 pack of handmade bows. So I'm not sure, I don't know if she's made those. They're awesome though. They're so nice. Then, last but not least, some card. Which, I got this beautiful card. I then got pink, like, not sure what colour she's called that. 2 sheets of coloured, and then some white card as well. And then she put in this pink that she wasn't very happy with. It wasn't very, it's thin. It's not very heavy. So that's for an envelope if you want to follow her project. But how awesome is this? I just wanted to show you everything I got. I'm going to have a play now so I can make something. and I might come back with another video to show you what I've made. Take care. Go over to her Facebook page and find out all about the kits, or here is her web page, so you can contact her there. Tell her Carol sent you. Take care. Bye.